One woman, he don't die for side where they call am say Cam Caro. Now for inside Garwa, where this one happen. Where the years since where they left people them for that side, since where they left some people them from Gata, they say insecurity. It don't plenty for that side. So for inside Garwa, we go talk that story this afternoon. Now so to go take una go for side where they call am say Limbe. Now a wrapping paper the way custom people them seize and even fake medicine them. We go show una this afternoon. So for Tori, we go take una, we talk as well people them too they do their small business. For corner road for Siphon Jombe, them say they cry. For Sika say waiting, they say Binet it don't die. Corona plus Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Now in Sesep, it don't make away people they know they can't do their binet, buy their binet for inside place where they call them saying Jombe. Sabisep say picking them, they do already start for right. Their certificate d'études premier and first school living certificate for the English and French side for exam where it been at the first certificate where this picking necessary that they get them. We get newspaper them too the day for inside Victoria House this afternoon. Big patok in the tell we say person where a house in the born e no fit leave am e dey follow na arata. They say person where a house in the born e no fit leave am e dey follow na arata. Big patok e comot na for Useni Buba. He been a teacher for Government Technical High School for Yaoundé 2. Now for Central Region. Now we come before Facebook. We return back small time. We thank una plenty. Say when a day for outside too plenty. When I don't already tune for here wait where they happen. When I sabi say we picking them, the small one them they start write exam this morning. Now first school living certificate for we sister them and brother them for English side and certificate d'études premier for one day with the day for the French side for a book for primary school book. So now we never hear any story concerning us with the thing whether we what don't pass, but the good news now say all side we don't turn this afternoon. It shows say the exam it don't work a fine and no trouble day for outside. When I sabi say for certificate d'études premier now 318,504 picking them did she done for write this exam for the whole country for inside 2087 center. First school living certificate as well as sabi 92,377 picking them where they don't she done inside the whole country and they she done for write this exam for 552 center them as well to re-enter for we here. The first image them as well don't come we go surely show now for morning time but sabi say no nothing he never worry for all the center they will work for day this morning time. So they also the turn back for inside Equinox Tori House just now for we strong number them we be talk for na plenty in them but we go start for Douala. We take una go for Douala for subdivision country people them where since last week people them dey where their house they don't chakara. When I sabi say oga mayor if you don't turn talk say they get for car open guataho so that when rain it go fall water go find it roads it pass nayo where it no go worry people them. So for sika that one plenty people them for side for forever when na for the way the work it starts since last week and so today as well the talk. Plenty of the house them they don't broke as we wanna say wanna see them. So when the day where they so they no get plan B as well the talk so them they don't already start check sense for different side. Other one the day where they no be even get for check sense as we after when they broke the house it they like say they don't do all thing like this mapper na your own house that where they come broke where they don't tell say where no day as we they get for come open that guataho it go pass for day. So plenty people there where they be done the shit done for inside that a place for forever when they hear say they no get place again for go after when they promise them say they get for broke their house and sabi say the work now for sika the plenty water where they ever turn up for inside Bonaberry particular for places like Mabanda forever and even places like Gwele others on them where water they use for turn up now for the way they so work it happen and now for open the guataho them so that water it no go the worry people them. We be meet up with some mami ibina Mukusa ite we talk.
My first time this way that they can't tell we say that they want to do drainage, because before they want build this bridge, the water be the pass freely, every dirty be the pass. Now as they don't build this bridge for year, where you need a pass again, because even canoe people they be the pass for year. When whether water day as a day, water the pass will not get we no problem. Now the bridge where they don't build them, we don't can bring we all the problem there. This dirty they need the pass.
Yes, and Sabi said that woman says will be the talk with we. Chief Robert Mukube says be put microphone for him up. Will be try for Axie. Waiting where the one time now after we they don't broke part of the house. Waiting be the back. Make we hear it talk.
I would want ask government whether if they as they don't broke we so they go still permit we for say even if na Calabon make unakam will stay for they will picking them, because as I stand so I mean this front no day me back no day me. I did talk with tears on my eyes. Say I be widow with orphans there for my side. I not get place for go. May they tell me whether we get place again. They go permit we. Say when they don't make and pass, more make even a one room will stay for day.
For Sabi say one of the thing where they cause confusion plenty for inside the quarter where all money the blame. Now some bridge where they call them say Pont de Bois. On top the bridge, as one at the Siam, they blame the other people there. They can't fix the bridge where they check say they don't do some development inside the quarter. Say the bridge it be over go for down. Where it make when rain it fall plenty. For Sika say hole it don't block where it is so water no defeat for pass fine. It make water the even cover the bridge and where people them they no defeat for pass so day. So one of the place where this caterpillar will come up for inside Douala City Council will be the work plenty. Now just for corner this Pont de Bois where they talk say now they cause confusion plenty for inside that place. They try for talk say the only way they get for do as way caterpillar the turn. Now for if for come out all the dirty them for day, then they even broke that a bridge, then they bring different one so that it go fit to help when rain it fall. Water it go pass for day. With the ESF say a mayor for that side so for inside Douala for subdivision where they call it Dr. Mobi Edward. He says it be there for the place for see as where the work it happen. Sabi say city council or Douala 4 council now them say they dey on top the work, but they don't talk say this time where they work so now just for open water hold them so that when rain it fall water go fit for pass. Then October when place it go don dry they go turn back for day for do the better work when at that time they go start make water hold them proper but for now for say make water it no turn up again or enter for inside people them house according to way big people them for Douala City Douala 4 council. They talk for we Chief Robert Mukube he be putting microphone for one of the quarter head them inside Douala 4 subdivision for side for forever. He to talk for we concerning the bridge where they cause trouble.
And say now be the cause of all this trouble because this bridge when they be build this road we come up from Mabanda get going to Granga, it was very good. We like them. All man be glad we like them. But we finally realize and say today say it don't be another obstacle. Not that we don't like the bridge, but the bridge don't be an obstacle for we now. Because presently now, the drainage for the water, the water they pass under the bridge a bit too small for contain all the water they come up for Mabanda, Granga, Kachebilen, for say make all the water pass. So it needs to make the experts therefore would they be in charge of road works, may they try for see what they do. We'll be very grateful first and foremost, and we thank the city mayor for the work we don't do, and we want to make it continue right up to the end. Make they not start the work and then for halfway they leave them. Because if they leave them, therefore they never do anything. Because if they leave the work halfway, we not go fit succeed. We want to make this, they see about the situation of this bridge. Because this bridge needs to be higher than this and larger, wider. If you not open, fine, water no go pass fine. If you not high too, water, all these guys they sell firewood, they broke firewood for bush, they will pass under that bridge. They go upstairs, they small firewood, they make small business for generate income for their family. But presently now, no canoe no fit pass on.
And not just the problem that wey dey happen for that bridge wey dey say na e dey cause confusion over water no dey gree for pass, dirty too e don block. Anyhow, we go continue for look on top that chapter as we work dey continue. One of the strong number dem na for inside quarter wey dey call am say Kam Karo, na for that side. So for Garwa, wey population sesep dey wake up this morning time, dem sesep dey surprise as we dey so plenty cry e be dey for inside that quarter as we tori dey enter for inside we hear concerning this palava. They say na thief people them say wey they broke enter for inside some person house just for inside the quarter where they call am say Kam Karo, and people them they no be fit for enter for sika say as uniform people they no be don't come. The last after we uniform put them say they come now for the way it dey serve so way some of the men them for inside the quarter where they call am say Kam Karo they enter. Now back that for the woman with the chakara, you see am say the chakara all thing inside the house. The type of talk say insecurity inside Garwa just now it don't reach na different level since when Kunkuma be show sorry hard for some people them where they left them for that side. So for Garwa now so to the thief it don't plenty so te time no day. This woman where they meet up am it show say na thief people themselves where they broke enter for inside the house, they killed the woman, then they carry it in them come on go tam as we tori enter for inside we ear. So just now gendarme the way they be there plus DO or they be there for start make investigate. You go see even that at stake with iron where it shows say na the thing where they use and knock that woman where it be there for inside house. So the population for Kam Karo themselves they don't confuse when you see man picking in the cry. Sabi say they die, it don't touch it right for inside the heart where it no be fit for Lebanon. So na surprise and even shock where people them for inside Kam Karo quarter for Garwa themselves they don't get and just now and they talk insecurity for day since when they left people them from Gata for Sika Soria from Kunkuma na different level. Cameroon picking them where they dey for Tunisia themselves they say they suffer. They say Ngomna don't abandon them. On top the same thing country people they talk say waiting more than 2 years they say they no get no money when Ngomna don't send them for scholarship make they go learn for that side. So for Tunisia but just now as well the talk so this Cameroon picking the way automatic na Ngomna e get for look out all their team for Sika say they get scholarship. It show say Ngomna e don't forget the picking them just now they no get chop for chop when they know where no dey for go for hospital na when they picking them say as well the talk all that one at the siam then say they don't compose some small mutumbu for talk say waiting make Ngomna e continue for start way e don't stop am. Na Ngomna say e give them scholarship say make they go learn book for that side for Tunisia. But just now all the thing where e dey so Ngomna be promise them no nothing. Family say for the pikin they dey for country so now they don't try all kind of things then so but when no dey them. So this pikin that they talk from Ngomna say na them give them scholarship no be na them be Ben Ngomna so main Ngomna e continue for do the work and they cry so they dey for Tunisia chop money they no get, even money for look out their skin for inside hospital they no get, size for Shidon they no get. So all that one them so on top e don't make and just now them too they don't make their small mutumbo when I weigh the sea and na for Sika why die the sea and they come up paper by paper for tell we say condition e don't be critical. Say men Ngomna say e look inside the palava before something e do them. Now Ngomna e give them scholarship say they go learn for Tunisia. Ngomna be get for look out plenty thing them and other thing the way they get for the Shidon. So 36 months as well as they see them where they don't Shidon no nothing e no dey. So they talk main Ngomna try for look it in they don't lie them so te time no day they don't talk say they don't tar yeah make Ngomna duty way e be promise them. So now we come be them we brother and sister the way they get scholarship for them for Tunisia. Now suffer where they suffer so way e so say Ngomna e don't abandon them after we send them for go learn book for that side. So for Tunisia inside southwest region na for Fako division say they enter for Limbe as well na the Siam gendarme them for that side for Limbe then say they show we cargo them when na their work where they do they catch fake medicine and on top the fake medicine dey cash even that wrapping paper dem wey governor don talk say dem no wan see am again inside we country. So na the fake carton dem dey have for medicine wey the gendarme dem say dey catch am. E be the enter for inside we country backdoor as wey gendarme dem say dem be the make control for road. Dey shine their eye na for there wey dey meet up the medicine dem. Na the wrapping paper dem that one na the see am so wey dey catch am. Sabi say governor bin don talk say the wrapping paper the way when you bury am e dey instead cause confusion for inside we soil. Dem no wan see am again, but this wrapping paper dey also take style e enter for inside we country. So na for there wey gendarme dey set on top control as wey you see am dey put hand for all the one, and as wey dem be show with the wrapping paper dem and medicine. Woman wey e concern for environment and even chapter for protect we own skin, e be dey for try for see. Sabi say after wey dey finish show the thing for tori people dem, one time the big woman delegate for environment and nature protection for that side. So for inside Limbe, they chapie dey tear all that wrapping paper dem dey go give am for company wey e go make am to that one wey dey so we all we like for use am for inside we country. So when I sabi say even as when governor be don talk say make we no use the wrapping paper, so till today something replace e never so come. So people dey so do that one na backdoor. Make we hear wetin wey ma delegate for environment and nature protection for that side for Limbe e tell we thing the way dey comot for go do.
We dey na for destroy plastic the way they be seize am. Company for gendarmerie for Limbe na dem be seize the plastics. So these plastics dem Cameroon law talk say they no get to use the plastic because the plastic e get thing dem wey e dey spoil man health, e dey kill even plants when e dey for ground. You plant chop no dey grow fine. When man put chop, some people dey put chop inside the plastic like puff even fufu corn. And when you put hot chop inside the plastic, e be bad for your system. You will stick the hole, no. So now why that way we are minister become with the minister of commerce. They will make the laws say they know they leave the plastic inside our country.
And just for sabi on top that wrapping paper then say wey dey catch am, e try for give you some small tori and advice for people that dey also buy that wrapping paper dem when governor e don talk say no one see am. We go take this mami delegate wey dey tell we how many bag dem for that wrapping paper the way they catch and advice for people dem for outside.
The way they be seize am. Company for gendarmerie for Limbe na dem be seize the plastics. So these plastics dem Cameroon law talk say they no get to use the plastic because the plastic.
We go surely turn back for that one where we meet up for this side. So for inside that Tory House again. But just now, we go take una, we go for side for Equatorial Guinea, country people them. Wana sabi say under Trump command from Kunkuma for inside we country, we get three big people them for we country. Oga Joseph Beti Asomo for defense, Lejeune Belambela wey the local Binet for Cameroon and other country them. Una call am say external relation, and even Lieutenant General Androne Claude Meka, when a big man for a soldier then says away all them they dey outside just now for Equatorial Guinea. Their worker for Equatorial Guinea e been a payback after we people them for Equatorial Guinea to they become for Cameroon for 2 days for say me they try for talk tori on top this palava for fight wey be happen for boundary for Equatorial Guinea and Cameroon, and the Congosa wey be pass say the one be some wall for block that boundary. So this worker for Cameroon big people them after Nkunkumagi command now for say me they go she done they talk with the Equatorial Guinea people them too their own big people, then they will sign book for talk say peace e go dey with Equatorial Guinea and Cameroon. That book they go sign am today as we tori enter for inside we hear. Just now we go take una go for that side. So for Santa but we talk this operation wey happen for Awin and Piyin. Colonel Mathian Charles Allen na we turn up so he dey talk for a big man Oga Nka Avale wey say don't can see the result wey this soldier them do. You see shoes poto dey e don change color from black to brown. Now the work wey this soldier then say they do am for that side. So for inside Awin and Piyin, wey dem be go find side wey the boy dem say dey she done. So as we oga Nkavale say e comot wey na dey look at all the soldier people dem for outside, e glad say e dey so dis soldier dem no be dirty their skin so for nothing. As wey dey come under Colonel Martin Charles Allen, na the cargo dem that way dey comot am for that boy dem dey hand for Changshoes. As wey e dey so dey be go fight. Sabi say after wey tori house say be talk this palava for Babaju Bamenda Road, na one of the side that Okada dem say dey take gas bottle dem tingni and even cow na dem that wey dey take am all from that boy dem. We hear say according to Colonel Martin Charles Allen, they say they kill 15 Amber boy dem as we talk, and one of them General Okoro wey he talk say gun e be touching. And just so sabi this operation na plenty of the operation the way they don dey carry inside Northwest. Big man for soldier dem for inside Bamenda, they call the oga Nkavale. He try for talk for we something for pidgin. Una hear ye.
Bafut 1, Bafut 2, Widi Bali and Ngokibui. Soldier don't come for Santa because one Brazilian truck, those Ambabo, they don't attack them. They don't attack Brazilian truck. They burn them. They burn them on the 4th of July. Later on, they attack military patrol with policemen inside. They kill one policeman, and 5 were wounded. They move them, go to Manankwe, attack Gendarmerie Brigade. So I said, you not continue from Iwin to Pinyin to everywhere to clear all that place so that population people can move from Babaju, Matazem to Bamenda.
They clap for you. He don't try no. He don't communicate. They talk say for inside Tori house when they teach you. If you talk, some person understand. It means say they communicate. They can be effective as well. They talk for inside a school for journalism. Just now we go take una talk these other people them. Now people them where they make binet for that side. So for Njombe, Penja, or if you call themselves on Njombe side, where them say that they cry plenty, they talk say this corona way they outside, and the problem for inside Northwest and Southwest, it don't make a way tin them, it the trunk for them. It make a now, they come with their pineapple, they can shit down for plenty time for roads, they know the fee for sale, it just they idle for place where they sell their pineapple, they sell their planty, they sell even bush butter, tomato, and other things the way they sell them for this. So just now, these people that they make binet for Siphon Jombe, they cry na cry, say last, they no sabi wait they go last do, as we plenty of the time they can't shit on so, they know they say no nothing, compared to time waiting they be dey fine for Northwest and Southwest, and where Corona, be don't enter for country, but then say they cry for sick, I say that thing them, it don't come make them, their binet, the worker, sabi say this chapter for Corona, it don't spoil all people them binet, and even this thing for Northwest and Southwest, it make and to people them they know they buy plenty. So the people then so they sell for corner roads for that side. So for Njombe, them too they get the same cry where other Benin people then say help them get. Make we hear them talk for we.
For the market for now, so we overget suffer now because poem for Amber for Northwest and Southwest. You know, we may talk member first time. And some cancer can come off as a COVID-19. You don't understand, sir, but I want help for this. We did so market in Narwe. For monitor the common office, 1,000 or 2,000 for min family. Why not? We travel back. Our own people never upset. They're heavy. They try to hold that make it sick. They give it to make sure fix for hold and sick and for so travel safe for me our own family.
Problem for Southwest and Northwest to the Hamburg, which is this see we don't come general. Where they call us say COVID, the Hamburg people don't the bar caco there. We fish double market for monitor so day that no officer say 1,000. Them say who the jongle that's all. Why no day? With the prayer, say me got to come. The hell we gonna go to do all thing. Before that people they wait there for up chair. They see a problem. With the suffer plenty. One say that sick finish, which you don't trouble where they for southwest and northwest to finish, then can fish up. For sick so I beg. Madam, I wait for cheer. You can't see your own problem with the suffer for your plenty for the market. You pick said all I want to go to school because more not there for pay school.
Well, as soon as Sabi, they say Corona, sick a day, but we ask that businessman say why is except he no cover his nose and him up? Make we hear answer.
The put mask, man, I say now so I never put that now because play the hot. I not fit stay plenty ready for my mop. I get my mask from my pocket. I not fit tell you say no day we not who day. I not say that sick day.
Yes, now just suffer that way they happen for all the business people that they hear bad for sick of this Corona and problem where they pass for Northwest and Southwest. How Corona number then says they be day overnight, 24 hours. Monday will be level now for this side. New Corona case 14,727,090 people them where they don't catch the sick for the whole world. 609,140 people them they don't die for inside the whole world. Donald Trump country 140,900 people they don't die. Brazil 80,115 people them they don't die. And Sabi said this Corona it don't cause plenty strong. It don't cause strong for on top people them skin, and that strong way don't cause now 4.14%. So we get number inside 24 hours. And for place where they call them say South Africa, on Monday will be level now, 24 hours will be left. New case for corona sick people there they catch them for South Africa, 9,300 people them. Total number where they don't do them test since we corona enter South Africa, 2,505,646. Inside that number, 373,628 people that don't catch the sick, 194,865 people that don't well, and 5,173 people them they don't die for South Africa for Sika Corona. For Nigeria, as well see na Buhari country. Inside 24 hours, 562 new cases them for corona sick people there they catch them. Since the sick it enter for Buhari country, 37,225 people that don't catch the sick, 15,333 people that already well come back on top sick death, 801 people them they don't die for sick of this corona for place where they call them say waiting Buhari own country. Now they told them that for this afternoon, make we see where to win newspaper then says they get them for we for inside Tory House. Inside the Guardian Post where they announce their August Guardian Post magazine where they come out more time. One of their strong number them they tell we Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Now independence for struggle. Now the independence they for before on the amber them say they fight against Anglophone. Question where the Guardian Post the ask them better work where big man where the look at Douala Seaport he don't do as where the Guardian Post talk say now wonderful way people they don't see you go read chapter 2 for Pioneer the first mayor for inside Bamenda Tutu where he die and some delegates for inside Meme where they don't catch it they say thief 11 million francs CF away na exam money. He dey from Gata. As so the Guardian Post, he talk for we this afternoon inside the Herald Tribune where he dey to for outside. Country people them Herald Tribune he get his own strong number them forgive we this afternoon as well we say we go turn enter for the Herald Tribune where they for outside. He tell we say palava for corona inside we country as we country this also continue for fight. All ministers them for inside country they don't talk for them make they shine eye they suffer away corona don't bring them for inside we country. All man he must to put them up on top the chapter. Now so today they tell we young boy them and get them for Limbe they don't block all DT where they sell binet the government land them for people them as well the era to be in the talk for we. Bishop Michael B. Bishop he don't give power for new father them for that side so for Boya if you read them and the first Cameroon minister too woman wey die for age for 85 all that to read them plus other one you go read municipal update e dey tell we soldier them they don't last come out Santa subdivision inside Amba, they were watching them as well the municipal update. He talk on this afternoon. Professor Kelly Muasesep, as well the municipal update he talk. He say better work we don't do. Nkunkuma Sesep, he don't give small musanga for talk say congratulate. SDO, he don't give by force pension for third class chief. For inside Ngoketunja, you go read that story for municipal update where if they outside, where then said that the talk. Palava this former mayor for inside Bamenda 2, where SSF die, he don't carry hit. Now they told them that as when newspaper them talk, we get case for person 2 he don't loss. Now they photo this and name the pikin where they call it say Mamua Sorel as we to enter for we here, he don't loss. And Naoga Njito Victor in the announce say any person where you don't see this pikin for any site, number for before tele 678 659 873 675 388 33 not number wave use them for call the people them. So country people they say dash it wait you. Now so we see country for this afternoon. We go surely turn back again when time enact 8 o'clock for Wednesday morning time. I want to say big thank you for Francis Boyom Malice and even Nadine with a joint hand for make story for this site. And not to forget Chief Robert Mukube. Una hold am tight.